Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my fall essential pieces for your wardrobe. This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which is a jewelry company. If you guys want to check it out, my discount code is JessicaPart10 right here, and I'll also have the link down below. Ana Luisa has sustainable jewelry, and a lot of their pieces start from $39, which is pretty affordable. Their quality is amazing. I've had them for so long. I'm actually wearing them right now. I'm wearing like this earring right here, and I'm also wearing the matching ring right here. I'll talk about Ana Luisa more in the video, but without further ado, let's get started. So number one, I think the most important fall piece is a blazer or some sort of leather jacket. I am actually wearing the blazer right now, and it's all black from H&M. It was on sale for about $15, and this is great because you can just throw on any crop tops like I did and then just wear a blazer on top of it. So you guys can wear sneakers for a more casual look, or wear heels for a more elevated, elegant look. I prefer wearing heels that are pretty low, so it's still comfortable, but also you look very put together and you just look like a very independent woman. So I really like this look. So like I said earlier, I also recommended a leather jacket, and this leather jacket is actually from Shein. I sized up so it's more like a baggy fit. Leather coat slash jackets are so in right now that you guys might want to invest in one or just get a cheaper one like I did. And the way I like wearing this is probably with a skirt, or same thing as the blazer, you can just wear the leather jacket instead of the blazer. The next item I'm going to talk about, which is something I'm already wearing actually, but it's a really good pair of denim that are straight fit. So with the first look I said, with the blazer and the jacket, it literally goes with anything and it's just a perfect fit. Along with that, another essential piece you should have is a knit vest. I got mine from Shein, and I also own one from H&M, YesStyle, and whatever. This is my favorite piece because it literally goes with anything and any skirts and any jeans. I know, like, I'm saying that all of my pieces go with anything, but this is why these pieces are so essential in your closet, because you could just mix and match. So for this one, you can wear this one with the white button up and then wear jeans. And then if you want to just add more, you can also wear a hat to make it more casual and streetwear. So this is a perfect piece. You know how I told you guys that the leather is in right now? Well, so are leather pants. I got it in size 2, and this is a straight fit leather pants. I love wearing this with a crop top and like a cardigan over me. Leather pants is such a statement piece because leather itself is already a different texture, so visually it's already different. It kind of stands out even if it's all black, and I just think that this is very essential. Next essential piece would be cardigans, and I have this one from, once again, H&M, and it has rib details and it's very colorful. These are perfect for not wearing it, but more like tying it around you like this. I think it's just so perfect because they're ribbed, they're a lot thinner material. You can easily spice up your outfits with colored cardigans like so. And then I have another one in this color, also from H&M, same thing, rib details, and you can just have it like so. Lastly, I want to talk about jewelry, and jewelry makes such difference in your outfits, especially I think gold really creates an elevated, sophisticated look for fall. My favorite pieces are from Ana Luisa, and I'm going to talk about these necklaces first. These are layered necklaces, and you can just easily pop it on. I absolutely love their necklaces because they are adjustable to different lengths as you like. And the chain detail is absolutely gorgeous. Look at how detailed it is. Another thing I want to mention about Ana Luisa is that they are so good with their packaging. They come with different like pouches like so, and so when you're traveling, you can also just kind of pop your jewelry in here and carry it, and they won't get scratches. And just in general purpose, you can just keep your jewelry right here and you don't have to get them tangled. It's just perfect. And look how cute these colors are. Alright, so next jewelry I want to talk about are stackable rings. And I have 2 to show you guys, and I'm wearing them right now. It is so cute. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I have this like croissant shaped ring right here, and I also added this dainty little ring right here. It's gold and it's a spirally shape, and this is perfect because this ring is adjustable, so you can squeeze it to your size, and I already did squeeze it to my size. And it is absolutely perfect, and it fits in any ring size, which is perfect. My fingers are so skinny and it's really hard to find rings that actually fit me, but Ana Luisa comes in different variety of sizes and it's just perfect. Alright guys, that was it for my fall essential wardrobe pieces. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Once again, their pieces start from $39, which is really affordable for jewelry pieces, and you guys can use the code JessicaPark10 for more 10% off. Alright, so thanks for watching once again, and see you guys in my next one. Bye!